Good morning, everyone. Poor Morris was waiting for me on the bench, and the rooster got up there and walked around him. Didn't hurt him or nothing, but Morris is waiting 15 feet up in the woods now for me to get the rooster out of his way. Actually, that's Marty, and here's Morris. That's right, Marty went out about 30 minutes ago and hasn't come back in the house yet. Hi. Hello. Here you go. Here you go. And there's Marty too. All right. Let me go feed the chickens over in their spot. Nope, you can't have the crack meow mix. The junk food. Hi, guys. Hi. Here you go. Hi. The other trap's coming today, and the guy that has the chickens, his name is Alan. He's actually a really nice guy. He had caught the rooster, put him back in the pen, and the rooster has gotten out again. I'm just going to change up this water in the house and put it back down for them. That's the only one well, that one's pretty dirty too. It works great, me doing the water while the cats are out here eating. It works horrible, me doing the water while the chickens are out here eating. Well, I'm out here in short sleeves this morning, and I'm pretty comfortable. I've been running around, of course. Today's not the super warm day yet. That's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday kind of a thing. But it's nice out here. It's mostly sunny. We got a little bit of cloud in there, but I got lots of little things to do today, and I swear I'm gonna pick up some more sweet gum balls with the kitties, hang with the kitties for a bit. Everything is bursting out. I'm a little surprised the forsythia is not looking better quicker. I did get set back a bit by that cold snap we had. But I don't think the snow hurt it. I think the, cold, pretty cold days. I just saw our hawk up there move out of the nest area and over into a tree. I really got to get down there too. I should add that to the list with my long lens and snoop on them and see how it's coming. There's not a lot of activity until they start bringing food to the nest, and the babies aren't born yet. It's a little too early. Well, Marty is feeling better. So he's still on the doxycycline every day, but we're cutting the steroid back to every other day to try to wean him off of it and see if he still does good. Stripe and Morris are up the hill, so I don't know why he's down here by himself. He kind of insisted. I hope he's not going to drink the water, because he's got fresh water up here. I mean, I just refilled all the water. I try not to worry about him, but I worry. Hi. Well, our Tempest weather station says it's 72. It's 12:15. I just finished editing yesterday's video and doing a bunch of other catch-up important stuff on my computer. Marty's out here. I don't mind him being out here a lot when the weather's nice and it's warm and all of that good stuff. It's just when it's been really cold, he's looked kind of miserable, and I've wanted him to be in the house. But I'm trying to show him I'm not out to catch him every single time I come out the door, because he was starting to run from me. I know he thinks he knows better than his mama, but I feed him, so he kind of has to listen to me. I'm going to fill the cardboard box and fill the bucket one time and spend a little time out here. I'm sure Marty will come over when he's done eating and see what I'm up to. Spend a little time outside with Marty. I want to get a little bit of sun and a little bit of fresh air before I move on to my next task. And I'm really not trying to stay bent over for a year at a time. I'd like to do, 60 to 90 minute spurts that won't kill my back too bad. A little bit at a time plan versus all or nothing plan. This is my buckeye. It's a tree that has some really pretty red flowers. It's all leafed out. Serious leafage here. The viburnum there is about to pop open. You can see the daffodils down the hill looking pretty. Not the biggest variety ever, and not standing up super strong. I suspect none of the daffodils in my yard get enough sun, and that's why they're not doing better. This camellia has continued to be awesome. I mean, I even like it when the flowers fall to the ground. But anyway, I'm going to get a little bit of sun and enjoy myself out here. I mean, I do mean enjoy, even though I'm just bent over picking up sweet gum balls. It's breezy, it's warm. Marty will keep me company. Yeah. Well, I started here by the flag and the trellis, and I walked in cleaning up because I mostly did to the left, and I did a little bit to the right, and then I went this way. There's a small patch there between the camellia and the beautyberry, or that piece of art that's not done. But I filled the bucket in the box, and I've been out here an hour, and I need to go cook on some lunch. I think that was a good amount for today. Like I said, if I had my druthers, 15 more minutes, and right here I would have finished that little patch, but there's next time. There's next time. The thing about being out here, Don and I know, is the ferns will be coming up by the end of the weekend. And right now I can walk around out here and not really damage them. But I start having to be a lot more careful once they come up through the ground. So it's best to get through here before then. Plus, I've been breaking off some of the ferns from last year, the dead fern pieces, so the new ferns can come up a little easier. Wondered where you are, where you were. I called for you. I've been out here for an hour. And I just wanted to say that I know some of you probably are like, well, why don't you just take down the sweet gum trees? Well, it's that tree behind the bench there, and it's one of these trees over here, and it's this tree here, and no, I don't want to take all those trees down. Not happening. Try being here in the summer with no shade tree over your house and your electric bill and your comfort level and your enjoyment of working out in the yard. I can't replace 50-year trees. I don't know how old. 30, 40, 50-year-old trees. You know, so I will work with what I've got. Work with what I've got. And I was not just picking up sweet gum balls. I was also pulling out this one weed that's over there. It's kind of got sticky roots. I don't know how else to explain it. And that was kind of a good thing too. Here's Marty. Morris and Marty were with me quite a bit, and then went and got in their comfy spots. A piece of wild-caught sockeye salmon for lunch, U.S. And I don't like it. I just eat it because they tell me it's healthy, and that's only every once in a while.
I like it.
It's just kind of plain. It's just sort of tolerable. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Well, you know, if I had my druthers, I'd have deep fat fried,
I'd have a piece of prime rib.
Yeah, all that too.
You can have fried chicken. I'll have prime rib. Thank you.
I was more talking about if I was going to have seafood, I want it fried.
Oh, yeah. Let's go to the farmer's market in Raleigh and split. Yeah. We used to have such great date afternoons going there. We never went really at night, but in the afternoon, split the shrimp, scallops, and, well, you liked whatever fish of the day was, but I wouldn't eat that part.
Or whatever it was.
I'm a tame, lightweight fish eater. Yeah. Shrimp and scallops, lobster, some crab. Yeah.
I like seafood fried.
Right. Most people prefer it fried. Well, it's a little after 4 and we're headed to the UPS store. Don's done for the day. So we're way late, but Don doesn't have to go back to work. I got my box put together. Don finished up for the day. It's all good. I also got the snow babies put away and put back up in the attic where they go. So that was also a plus. I did everything I wanted to do today, but I don't have my exercise done yet. Other than that, it's okay. So I'm on step 394. I've done a couple steps before I filmed the video. I'm finishing the roof here, and then it comes over here. And about by step 350, this is not done, but close. And then it's the next PDF. So the picanha roast is in the oven, and I'm just working until then. Couple of wrong colors. This is supposed to be dark bluish gray. And this little piece, the tooth piece also. And I have a little V roof window decoration to build there. But I'm stopping because
it's supper time.
It's supper time. That smells so good.
Mm-hmm.